Hi guys, welcome back. So I know it's been a while, but I've been busy. I've been working on a sound bank that will come out in late June, maybe early July. But yeah, let's get into the video. So the last video I did was creating randomized chaos and organizing it. So now we're gonna look at it as how to use that chaos. So I have a patcher that I just quickly, excuse me, this will be in the sound bank, but I just changed the chaos filters to the chaos 1 to filter cutoff and chaos 2 to the wavetable position. So it has the random movement, and then I just threw in a long MIDI note. I think it's 16 bars. Yeah, and check around it up there or down low. Both good. Okay, let me just do the top one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this long, record it in. Just gonna call it chaos 1. Okay, cool. So that should be here. So this should be a recording of randomness. Okay, cool. So that's the idea. So then you got your randomness. Now you kind of jump through it and you look for the best parts, something that you can actually use. I'm gonna record the same synth an octave lower just to get a different texture out of it. I'm gonna call this chaos 2. Ordered it. Okay. So now we should have a different tone, just being an octave down. Okay, I think that should be enough. So now we can kind of create some rhythmical pattern or something interesting. Or maybe not. Okay. So let's start cutting this up. So what I like to do is I like to put the kick on and a snare just to have some rhythm going with it. Okay, so that's cool. Just before the snare, this I want to see to it. And then maybe something faster after that in the offbeat. What do we have over here? Look for our shorter ones. It's kind of long. Let's pop it over there. Let's see what's going on over here. So I'm going to duplicate that. I'm just going to cut this first part as a little. Pop this there. Let it just start there. Okay. Maybe this can open up just on the off. Yeah. Maybe we can use this bigger piece which just opens up exactly on the note. Yeah, that sounds cool. And then maybe have this long winding piece No, I wanted this one. Yeah, that sounds cool. This would actually be super cool with the offbeat if it could just swing a bit more. Yeah. You could literally just use this piece the whole time and just swing. Just swing this part the whole time. Or the off at. Anyway, let's pop our first piece back in. If my mouse cooperates. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna shorten this part. Shorten this part. Pop this piece in. Yeah. So that's 4 bars of something. And we can loop that. Let's just pop everything on. Let's make sure the other leads are off in this track. Make sure the leads are off. This was the serum we just used. Okay. Kill the chaos. Okay, so this is what we just made now. Let's make this a color. Let's make this a nice pink purple. Okay. Let's pop an EQ. Pop a limiter just so to keep all the volumes and stuff together. Just gonna put a normal high pass. Add some reverb. Oh, Valhalla. What would be super cool is if we duplicate this. Actually, before I duplicate this, I just want to add, I think, a bit crusher would just work perfectly. Yeah. What I'm hearing now is that if we exclude that, let's duplicate this. So what we can do is we can maybe kill this part, keep this part going, but have this section after the EQ, some ping pong delay. So let's just take a listen. And then we are going to kill these parts. We just want the delay sections. Just going to duplicate these sections. Okay. I'll make these smaller so we can just see them both. Okay. So that is chaos 1 delay. We might kill this. Let's just take a listen. Yeah. Okay. So this was how to make the so before we looked at, we made random chaos, and this is how to use that random chaos into your actual song. Just record it. Record as long as you want. You can record for for an hour if you need to, but find the good parts, chop the good parts up, and make something interesting. Yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.